Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to take a screen print job that is proof approved and move it into production. So the first thing you're going to want to look for is that the artwork is approved in Corebridge, which this job is. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to check the design sleeves to make sure that the garments have been checked in. And so if we look here, 9093, this job is checked in and complete. It's on cart 5. So we're going to go ahead and grab this. And the next step is going to be to open your working proof file in Illustrator. So go ahead, go to the farm, Corebridge orders, locate the file, open up your PDF. I've already got that open here. Try to get this tripod going. So off to the side of the main artboard, we have our artwork, which is 2 size, and we're just going to verify it. So 11 inches wide, as we click on it, 11 inches wide there. The next thing that we need to verify is that the spot colors are assigned. So this is PMS white, and if we click on the artwork here and we go over to our swatches, try to get it to focus, and we have our white fill here, we could see that there is a spot color with focus, and you can tell that it's spot color because it has like a little dot inside of a white triangle down in the right hand corner, and it says white. That way when this gets to SEP Studio, the colors are already called out and they don't need to figure out what it is instead of looking at just either hex code or RGB builds. Okay, so now that it's 2 size and we have a spot color assigned, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new artboard by doing Shift O, and we're just going to click on that artwork that's 2 size, that's off to the side, and you can see that the artwork is still there. It's white, so it blends right in, and you can see that over here in the artboards we have a new artboard created. So what we're going to do is up here in the file naming for production, just go ahead and double click on the naming convention there, copy it, and we're going to paste it into the new artboard. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in the order in the product. So this is 9093-01. In the placement, we have some codes here that tell you what the placement is. So this is a full front, so it would be FF. And then we're going to put in the art width, which is 11 inches. And then all we need to do is copy the customer name from Corebridge and go ahead and paste it at the end there. So now we have our artboard ready to go. If there were multiple placements, you could just go ahead and put them elsewhere down below or off to the right, depending on how big they are. So the next step is to export for screens, Control-Alt-E, and you're gonna see that we have all of our artboards over here, and all we wanna do is select the production ones. In this case, it's just the one. And we could go ahead and we could turn off the JPEG because that's not needed, and we're going to change the destination folder to the order number in the production files. Go ahead and hit select folder and export artboard. Okay, so now we have our production file for screen print. Lastly, 2 more steps. So now we can go ahead and change proof approved to in production, and we are going to print out the approved proof. Sorry, it's hard to work with one hand. So we can see that there are 100 items in this, and we could pack 50 per box. So we're just going to go ahead and print 2 of them, and these print to labels. So we're going to go into the working file, find the JPEG for our proof, and we're going to do Control-P to print. And on this particular copier, the labels are in tray 1, so we're just going to select tray 1, copies 2, hit print. Once the proofs get printed, they go into this job sleeve here, and then we're going to go ahead and take this sleeve over to cart 5, place it on top of the garments, which should already be placed on the cart, and go ahead and wheel the cart over to screen print, and they will be ready to produce this job. Thanks for watching.